Gomez gang, equations, unit 4. We're simplifying this expression right here. For most of us, this might be a hard problem because we forget to do certain steps. I'm here to help you with that. So here we have -3, open parentheses, -2x plus 6, close parentheses, minus, open parentheses, x minus 4, close parentheses. Cool. As you guys can assume, we are using the order of operations here, so we do have PEMDAS that we need to worry about. So we're going to get started with our parentheses. We have -3 and -2 that we need to distribute that -3. -3 times -2 we know is 6x, because a negative times a negative is a positive. To be very successful in this unit, you must review your content from unit 3 with rational numbers. Understanding your operations with negative numbers is extremely important with this unit, so you might have to refer back to that. So -3 times -2x is equal to 6x. We still have to distribute that -3 to this positive 6 because, again, this coefficient must be multiplied by everything inside of the parentheses. -3 times positive 6 is a -18, so I'm simply subtracting 18. That is one value right here. We're not done just yet. We still need to subtract the value of x minus 4. Now keep in mind, I'm leaving that in parentheses because it is extremely important that I do. If I took away these parentheses, hypothetically speaking, and it was 6x minus 18 minus x minus 4, that would not be correct. These parentheses is making you understand that this is one value, and this entire value must be subtracted. There's actually a coefficient here that most people do not realize. Because I'm subtracting an x, that's fantastic, sure, but you can also view it as one group of x minus 4. So I can rewrite this as 6x minus 18 minus, because I'm bringing that subtraction sign down, and I'm going to subtract anything that I multiply this 1 by. So 1 times x we know is x, so I'm subtracting x, but most people forget this step. I also need to distribute this 1 to this minus 4, or this -4, however you want to look at it. And 1 times -4 is -4. However, remember, I am subtracting whatever I am multiplying that 1 by. So in reality, I am subtracting a -4. That is the most important part of distributing a negative coefficient. When I have x minus -4, we know from our last unit that I can rewrite this as simply x plus 4. At this point, it's just grouping. We have a 6x here, minus an x here. We're left with 5x. And then we're just worrying about the numbers with no variables. We have a -18, in which I'm going to put it in a triangle. And we have a plus 4, which means we have -14. That is the answer that we are looking for. This is extremely different than if we would have taken these parentheses out. Had we taken these parentheses out, yes, you have 6x minus x, which would have been 5x, but -18 minus 4, had there been no parentheses, -18 minus 4 would not get me to -14, it would get me to -22. So again, these parentheses and placing these parentheses in the correct places is one of the most important parts of this problem. Hope you guys understand. Take care.